Hi friends, we studied different types of fractions. Which are they? Unit fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, etc. Next we are going to discuss about classification of fractions. Here we have a set of fractions 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 9 by 7. Here all denominators are same. A set of fractions, its all denominators are same. Such kind of fractions are called like fractions. Like fractions. Okay. Next, here another set of fractions, but its all denominators are different. Such kind of fractions are called unlike fractions. Unlike fraction. Clear? Next is comparison of fractions. Like fractions can be compared easily by comparing their numerators. To compare the unlike fractions, first we have to convert them into like fractions. How do we convert them into like fractions? First we have to find the LCM of denominators and make the denominators same. Okay? Example 1. Which is bigger? 3 by 11, 7 by 11. 3 by 11 and 7 by 11. They are like fractions. We have to compare the numerators only. Here the denominators are same. So which is bigger? 7 is bigger than 3. So this is the answer. 3 by 7, 3 by 11 less than 7 by 11. Example 2. Compare 3 1 by 6 and 2 5 by 6. To compare the mixed fraction, we need to compare the whole number part. Here 3 and 2 are the whole numbers. Which is greater? 3 is greater. So we can say that 3 1 by 6 is greater than 2 5 by 6. Okay, another method, second method. Second method, first we have to convert them into improper fraction. How do we convert them into improper fraction? 3 1 by 6 is equal to 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by 6. Then 2 5 by 6 is equals 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6. Which is greater here? 19 or now they are like fractions. Which is greater here? 19 by 6 is greater. 19 is greater. So 19 by 6 is greater than 17 by 6. Actually this 19 by 6 is equals 3 1 by 6 is greater than 2 5 by 6. This way also we can use. Example 3, which is smaller, 7 by 10 or 5 by 15. They are unlike fractions. First we have to convert them into like fractions. To convert them into like fractions, we should find the LCM of the denominators. 10, 15. 10, 15. We can divide both by 5. 2 times 5s are there in 10. 3 times 5s are there in 50. 2, 1, 3. Again 3, 1, 1. LCM equals 5 into 2 into 3, which is equals 30. Then 7 by 10. To convert the denominator into 30, we should multiply the denominator by 3, the numerator also by 3. When we divide any number by the denominator, we should multiply the numerator also by the same number, which is equals 21 by 30. 21 by 30. Then 5 by 15. To get 30, we should multiply here by 2. 15 by 2. Numerator also by 2. Which is equals 10 by 30. Which is greater? 21 by 30 or 10 by 30? 21 by 30 is bigger. That means 10 by 30 is smaller. Which is the smaller here? 10 by 30 is less than 21 by 30. Okay. That means 5 by 15 is less than 7 by 10. 5 by 15 is smaller number. Okay. Smaller fraction. 5 by 15 is smaller. Example 4. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. Here, to arrange these in ascending order, first we have to compare them. They are unlike fractions. To compare unlike fractions, first we should convert them into like fractions. So, first we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 5, 8, 10. First we can divide by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. 4 times 2's are there in 8. Then 5 times 2's are there in 10. Again 5, 1, 4, 1. Then 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. LCM is equals 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. 5 2's are 10. 10 into 4 equals 40. 40 is the LCM. Then next we have to convert all denominators into 40. 4 by 5. To convert 5 into 40, we should multiply here by 8. 8 5's are 40. When we multiply the denominator by 8, we should multiply the numerator also by 8, which is equals 4 8's are 32 by 40. Clear? Next, 3 by 8. To convert 8 into 40, we should multiply here by 5. 8 5's are 40. We multiply the numerator also by 5, which is equals 3 5's are 50 by 40. Okay. Then next is 7 by 10. 10 into 4 equals 40. 7 into 4. 28 by 40. Now they are all like fractions. We can compare the numerators. Here numerators 32, 15 and 28. Which is the smallest? 15 is the smaller. So we can write here 15 by 40 less than. Next 28 by 40 less than 32 by 40. Clear? Here 15 by 40 equals 3 by 8. 3 by 8 less than 28 by 40 equals 7 by 10. 7 by 10 less than 32 by 40 is equals 4 by 5. Next example 5. Write the fractions 1 2 by 5, 2 1 by 4, 1 1 by 2 in ascending order. Here all are mixed fractions. We can compare. To compare the mixed fractions, first we have to convert them into improper fractions. 1 2 by 5 equals 1 into 5 plus 2 by 5, which is equals 5 plus 2 7 by 5. 2 1 by 4 equals 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equals 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Then next is 1 1 by 2, which is equals 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equals 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Clear all of you? Then the fractions are 7 by 5, 9 by 4, 3 by 2. They are improper fractions. And also they are unlike fractions. We have to convert them into like fractions. To convert them into like fractions, first we have to make the denominators same. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 5, 4, 2. 5, 1, 4, 2. Again 2. 1, 2, 1. Again 2, 1, 1, 1. LCM is equals 5 into 2 into 2, which is equals 5 2s are 10, 10 into 2, 20. LCM is equal to 20. Next, we have to convert all denominators into 20. To convert this 5 into 20, we should multiply here 4. Numerator and denominator by 4, which is equal 7 4s are 28 by 20. Next, 4 into 5 equals 20. 9 into 5, which is equals 9 5s are 45 by 20. Okay. Then 3 by 2. 2 into 10. 3 into 10, which is equals 3 10s are 30 by 20. Clear? Now all the denominators are same. Next we have to compare the fractions. Here, which is the smaller? 28 by 20 is the smaller. So 28 by 20 less than 30 by 20 less than 45 by 20. Okay. Then 28 by 20 equals 7 by 5. 7 by 5 less than. Then 30 by 20 equals 3 by 2 less than. Next 45 by 20 equals 9 by 4. This is the ascending order of the given fraction, which is equal 7 by 5 equal 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5 less than 3 by 2 equals 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 less than 9 by 4 equals 2 1 by 4. This is the ascending order. Next topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Like comparison, the addition and subtraction of like fractions are very easy. Just add the numerator or subtract the numerators and write the same denominator. Here you have an example. Simplify 3 by 13 plus 7 by 30. 3 by 30. Here the two fractions are like fractions. Their numerators are different and denominators are same. So 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 is equals 3 plus 7 by 13, which is equal 7 plus 3, 10 by 13 is the answer. Clear? Next, B. This is A. 15 by 17 plus 4 by 17. Here also the denominators are same. We can add the numerators. 15 plus 4 by 17, which is equals 19 by 17 is the answer. Example 2. Add 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Here the denominators are different. So first we have to make the denominators same. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 4 comma 6 divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 2 1 3. 3 1 1. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, next 3 by 4. We have to convert this 4 to 12. To convert 4 to 12, we should multiply here by 3. When we multiply here by 3, we should multiply the numerator also by 3, which is equals 3 3s are 9 by 12. Okay. Next, 5 by 6. 5 by 6. To convert 6 into 12, we should multiply the denominator by 2. We should multiply the numerator also by 2, which is equals 5 2s are 10, 10 by 12. Now the fractions are like fractions. We can add easily. 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12, which is equals 9 plus 10 by 12. 19 by 12. 19 by 12 is an improper fraction. We can convert them into mixed fraction. 19 divided by 12. 112 equals 12. 5, which is equals 1 5 by 12. Example 3. Find the sum 1 2 by 3 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2. 1 2 by 3 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2. All are mixed fractions. First we have to convert them into improper fraction. 1 into 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3 plus 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 4 plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. All are unlike fractions. First we have to find the LCM of the denominators. 3, 4, 2. Divisible by 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 1. Again 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3, which is equals 12. Then 5 by 3 equals 5 by 3. To convert 3 into 12, we should multiply here by 4, which is equals 5 4s are 20 by 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then next 11 by 4. 4 into 3 equals 12 multiplied by 3, which is equals 33 by 12. Next is 3 by 2. 2 into 6 equals 12. 3 into 6, which is equals 3 6 are 18 by 12. Now all are like fractions. We can add 20 by 12 plus 33 by 12 plus 18 by 12. 20 plus 33 plus 18 by 12. Here 18 plus 33 equals 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 30, 51, 51 plus 20, 71. 71 by, then 71 by 12 we can convert it into mixed fraction. 71 by 12. 5 times 60. 1, 1, which is equals 5, 11 by 12. Example 4. Subtract 2 by 5 from 7 by 10. B. 2 from 15 by 4. Consider A. 2 by 5 from 7 by 10. 7 by 10 minus 2 by 5. Okay. Here denominators are different. So first we have to find the LCM. 10, 5. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. So LCM equals 5 into 2, 10. Then 7 by 10. To convert 10 into 10, we should multiply here by 1. So 7 by 10 equals 7 by 10. Then 2 by 5. 2, 2. 4 by 10. Then 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10, which is equal 7 minus 4 by 10. 3 by 10. B. 2 from 15 by 4. We can write 15 by 4 minus 2 by 1. 2 equals 2 by 1. Then we have to find the LCM of 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4 itself. So we can convert this fraction 2 by 1 into 4, which is equals 4 2s are 8 by 4. 15 by 4 equals 15 by 4 itself. So 15 by 4 minus 8 by 4, which is equals 15 minus 8 by 4, which is equals 7 by 4. 7 by 4. We can write 7 by 4 equals 7 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. 3 is equals 1 3 by 4.